Top of the morning and peace and love. This is D'Angelo McKinney, God's income specialist and training representative for Synergy Financial Partners. And today I'm going to be showing you how to start an insurance business with Synergy Financial Partners. But overall, how to start an insurance business. First thing we're going to need here is a product. And here we have what we call living benefits.
When Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in 1876, he designed it to do one thing: make phone calls.
Hello?
These days, it seems we use our phones for everything but phone calls. Today's phones are our text messengers, calculators, books, planners, navigators, our cameras, music players, internet browsers, stock traders, even our flashlights. Phones evolved to include so many other useful features because we needed them to, yet we still just call them phones. This same evolution by necessity has happened with other products over the years, and life insurance is no exception. When life insurance was invented way back in the 1600s, it was also designed to do one thing: to financially protect your loved ones when your life is over. And like phones, life insurance evolved because we needed it to. With modern advancements in medicine, suffering a critical illness like a heart attack, stroke, or cancer diagnosis no longer necessarily means death. In fact, 90% of people who suffer a heart attack these days survive that event. That's where the new, evolved kind of life insurance policy comes in, one that adds living benefits. Living benefits policies are essentially the smartphones of life insurance. They allow your life insurance policy to not just be a parting gift, but also provide the ability to accelerate the death benefit if you suffer a critical, chronic, or terminal illness. This ability can help save your financial life by unlocking a whole new list of ways to use your policy while you're still living.
Hello?
And oftentimes, it does all of this at the same price as the old kind of life insurance. Living benefits protect you, your loved ones, and your wallet, not only in case you die, but also in case you don't. Two things always happen when you suffer a critical or chronic illness: your expenses go up and your income goes down. When your expenses get higher than your income, that's when debt begins to pile up. This is the exact trap that so many Americans are falling into every single day. In fact, 60% of all bankruptcies that occur in the U.S. are the direct result of a critical illness and the medical expenses that follow. With living benefits, the policyholder has the option to accelerate a portion of their death benefit to replace their income and help with those added expenses. These benefits are the difference between just surviving the illness and having a life afterwards. And the best part is, they come at no extra cost to the consumer. So what kind of life insurance is protecting your family? Your granddad's traditional death benefit only coverage?
I don't know if I'm hearing anything.
Or the new, evolved life insurance with built-in living benefits? If you're still using the rotary phone of life insurance, maybe it's time for an upgrade.
The second product we have is what we call an IUL.
When it comes to retirement planning, there are three kinds of people. The guy who doesn't think about or plan for retirement, you don't want to be that guy. The gambler type who feels the only way to grow her money is to risk losing it all in the stock market, and the play it safe type who shudders at the thought of losing a single penny of his savings, even if it means sacrificing any opportunity for that money to grow. For years, retirement planning has been vastly limited to choices that fall on one side of the scale or the other. And so, money-savvy people tend to invest in 2, 3, 14, 50 different products in an attempt to balance the scale. But what if there was a way to capture the upside potential of a risky product and the downside protection of a secure product all in one solution? Well, hold on to your potatoes. Let's talk about IUL. Index Universal Life can harness the best parts of both sides of the financial seesaw. IUL is a form of permanent life insurance that... Whoa, hang on. Life insurance has changed in the last 20 years. You know it is something that just pays out when you die. But these days, life insurance can actually be one of the most powerful wealth accumulating vehicles on the market. One huge benefit of IUL is the ability to harness the power of compound interest to potentially generate large amounts of non-taxable cash value within the policy. This cash value can be accessed later in life to fund a happy, healthy, non-taxable retirement. Your IUL's performance directly reflects the performance of the stock market index while implementing a 0% floor and a market cap, usually around 10%. So your cash value participates in the growth of the market up to the cap and sits safely on the sidelines when the market goes down. You forego some of the upside to alleviate all of the downside. So zero is your hero. With IUL, you won't spend a single day of your accrual making up for losses. Pretty cool, right? Well, it gets better. When designed properly, IUL can serve as a retirement vehicle based on a financial chassis of life insurance protection. And because of IRS tax code exemptions for life insurance, your cash value can create a tax-advantaged way to generate more income in retirement. That's something your 401k or IRA simply can't offer. So what might an IUL look like for you? Let's talk specifics. Larry here is in decent health, a non-smoker, and contributes $500 a month to his IUL starting at age 35. This contribution is conservatively projected to generate $500,000 of cash value by the time Larry retires at age 65. If he chooses to, Larry can turn on a non-taxable income stream from his IUL, giving him $60,000 of income per year to supplement his retirement. And the longer he waits to access this money, the larger it can grow. That death benefit is even accessible when Larry's still living if he suffers a critical, chronic, or terminal illness. So if Larry gets sick, he's covered. If he dies unexpectedly, his family is covered. And if neither of those things happen, the money Larry's paid into his IUL over the years can fund a happy, healthy, tax-advantaged retirement. Assuming Larry lives to age 90, he will have contributed a total of $186,000 into his IUL, drawn out $1.5 million in non-taxable retirement income, and still leave behind a very sizable tax-free death benefit for his heirs. The person who shared this video with you can show you what an IUL might look like for you given your specific age, health, contribution level, and retirement plans. Contact them today to get the specific.
As you can see, living benefits and IULs are the new way of insurance and retirement. Now, what we want to do is we want to look at the actual opportunity that lies within starting an insurance business with the SFP business opportunity. Of course, we have the old way, part-time job, low pay, long hours. Start your own business, need an idea, time, and money. And to buy a franchise, we're looking at $100,000 plus to get started. Of course, there are some cheaper if we're going to be totally transparent. The new way, you can build an SFP business. Of course, there's no risk. It's a proven opportunity, proven turnkey system, no experience necessary, low startup costs, mentors to help you learn. Don't have to quit your current job or business. It's a nationwide opportunity, huge market potential, and you can make money helping others. The SFP hybrid compensation model, and this here is one of the greatest compensation models, I think, within the 10 years of being in the direct sales and networking industry that I've seen. SFP has a hybrid compensation model that is similar to the one used in the traditional real estate industry with a few improvements. In real estate, you have brokers and agents who work in a real estate brokerage. The broker makes an override on each transaction made by his or her agents in that brokerage. The problem with the real estate model is that the best agents will one day leave to become a broker as well. So their broker loses that volume and is basically training their future competition. With SFP, you can become a broker or what we call a field vice president and build other FVPs with the same contract you have, so there is no advantage for them to leave. Here, you can build a business with unlimited potential where everyone wins. So what does the SFP part-time income opportunity look like? As you can see, we have you just help 4 families per month. That's $3,840 or $46,000 a year, and this is part-time. It's astounding. Now, let's just say you like to go a little bit further. You want more than a part-time income. Then you can help 4 families a month and build a small team of just 5 team associates who help 2 families a month. And that's $10,000 a month or $126,000 a year. This is how you want to start an insurance business. Now, if you really want to go above and beyond and really do this in a big way to make some great income, then you can help 4 families a month. Of course, build a team of 5 people who help 2 families a month. And then help those 5 get a team of 5 who just help 2 families a month. So, of course, everything's a pyramid, but it's not a scheme. Okay, so you help 4 families a month, build a team of 5 people who help 2 families a month with the products and services that you'll have in your insurance business that I showed you at the beginning of the video. And then they'll build a team of 5 who help 2 families a month with those products and services. And you'll be making about $34,000 a month. So, how would you like to start your insurance business up, or how can you design your future with SFP? So one of the most appealing aspects of the SFP business is the ability to build a business in the way that best serves the lifestyle you desire. Here you can build your business 3 different ways. So if you're an old school person, you like to do it the private way, you can build your business one-on-one. If you're an old school person who likes those group settings as well, you can tie into local business presentations, meetings to take advantage of the dynamics of a crowd. Or virtually, if you're like a millennial like myself, you can work from home or anywhere you go that has internet connectivity. So SFP is the only company in this market space, in the insurance and retirement market space, that offers all 3 options. It's the new way to build an exciting and profitable business to fit your lifestyle. So what's your next step? You can take the next step by setting up a follow-up appointment with us in the next 24 to 48 hours. In the description box below, there will be a link so you can book your appointment, as well as a phone number for you to call if you have any questions. This is D'Angelo McKinney, God's Income Specialist and Training Representative for Synergy Financial Partners, just showing you how to start an insurance business, specifically with Synergy Financial Partners. Peace and love to you. Look forward to talking with you soon.